Hello, it's another great day for math. So now this is a standard deviation question, and for part B, okay, mind the pun, it's a standard question to check your understanding of mean and standard deviation. So first two parts, I'm not going to do the calculation, it's pretty straightforward. So we're going to explain how an increase of $60 for every single employee will change the mean and standard deviation. Calculation wise, the mean will increase by that amount of $60. Okay, how about the standard deviation? The standard deviation, which by definition is the spread of the data points from the mean. If it's the spread and everyone moves or increases by $60 together at the same time, the standard deviation will have no change in value. If I can do a quick explanation of this, if we just maybe, for example, plotted a dot diagram, okay? Okay, mind the dots basically. If the mean was somewhere here and we had a standard deviation of this, okay, the spread to the left and to the right, spread of the data. Now if every single data point is shifted to the right or increased by $60, for example, so all your dots will shift to the right. Okay, don't mind the dots, okay? I'm just illustrating it. So the mean shifts to the new mean here by $60, okay? But the spread is still the same to the left and to the right of the mean. The value does not change. It shifts along together with it. So therefore there is no change. We are done.